Hey insulators, we are here in Omaha, Nebraska, and this is Zach. He's with Moose Roofing. Zach found us on the internet, basically through our social media. Zach, what do you think about the machine, your experience with setting everything up? How's this going for you?
Really seamless, it was easy, pretty simple, and I think, having the videos and stuff, the support on the backside is the reason why we, obviously bought the machine from you, so I'm really excited to kind of have all those resources to use moving forward on the installation side, and as well as making sure the machine's better and better, in the setup.
Great. Well, I'm glad that those videos help. My wife does a lot of work on those, and she's banging them out. Anything you have questions on, any training videos you need, just call me up and we'll point you in the right direction.
Sounds great.
Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you.